Hello everyone, welcome back again to another cooking video. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I cook this delicious yummy fried rice that you can enjoy with your family. This fried rice tastes so yummy and it tastes so delicious. Okay guys, this is my seasoning that I will be using to cook my turkey. For the protein I will be using turkey and the chicken wings for this fried rice. First of all, I'll go ahead and cook my turkey. I've added my seasoning, salt, no seasoning, bay leaf, thyme, curry powder, habanero pepper, and onions. I just put it inside and I cover it. I like to steam for about 5 minutes on its own juice. Then this is 5 minutes later. I'll give it a quick stir, then I'll add water. Then I like to cook till they are 90% ready, or they are tender. Okay, at this point the turkey is ready. I'm just going to put them in my oven tray, then I'll bake it inside the oven. I'm not going to fry it, but if you want to fry it, you can go ahead and fry it. Then I'm going to use the turkey stock. I had it into another pot. Then I'm going to have my seasoning, my curry, and my thyme, my no seasoning, and my bay leaves. Then I added some salt to it. I would like to cook for about I bring it for to a boil for about a minute. Okay, and I will be using jasmine rice for this fried rice. Okay, you can use any rice of your choice, but for this fried rice I'm going to be using jasmine rice. I've already washed the jasmine rice with hot water. Then I just added it to this turkey stock right now. Then I'm going to stir it together very well. Then I like to cook till it is ready. Okay, don't overcook your rice because this is fried rice. You don't want your rice to be overcooked. Then in another pot I'll add in my coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil, but this recipe is going to be with coconut oil. I allow my coconut oil to melt. Then I'll add in my already cooked gizzard. Then I chop the gizzard into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to fry this. Okay, I'm going to fry it till they are golden brown, as you can see. Then I'm just going to take it out from the oil. You can use chicken for this recipe also. If you want to cook your fried rice, you can use some people do use a chicken, some people use a liver. It all depends on what you have, or shrimps also. Okay, now I'm just going to add in my onions. I give it a quick stir. I stir it together. Then I'll add in my thyme, my curry powder. Then I'll stir again. Okay, I just want to add this so that the flavor of the thyme and the curry will infuse inside the oil. I'll give it a mix it very well. Then at this point I'm adding my mixed vegetable. It's a frozen vegetable. Okay, you can use fresh vegetable. You can just cut your fresh vegetable and use them, but today I'm using a frozen vegetable. They are all the same. Okay, then I'll stir it together, mix it well. After mixing it, then I'll cover it. I like to steam for about a minute. Okay, I'll cover it up. I like to steam for about a minute. This is a minute later. Then I'm adding in my habanero pepper because I want it to be spicy. I love my fried rice to be spicy. That pepper is very hot. It's just one, but it's very hot. Then I stir it together. I'll add in my fried gizzard, add salt and no seasoning for taste. Okay, then I stir it together. Then I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes because you don't want your vegetable to be overcooked. Okay, mix it very well. Then I will cover. I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then our vegetable is ready. As you can see, it's ready. Mixed vegetable is ready. Then all you just have to do now is time to fry both the vegetable and the rice together. At this point the aroma in the kitchen is giving. Oh, coconut. If you ever use coconut oil to cook your fried rice, please try it. Try it. I'm telling you, try it. It's so good. It's so yummy. It's so delicious. Okay, this fried rice was so good. Okay, thank you all for watching to this point. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to also to follow my page if you are watching from Facebook. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Please share out the video so that it can get to more people, and please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Just gonna stay together. As you can see, fry it very well. Then our fried rice, look at the color. The color is popping. The fried rice is ready. As you can see, it was so good. Okay, it was so yummy. If you're a fan of fried rice, leave it in the comment section. Let me know. Or if you're a fan of jollof rice and fried rice, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see which one is your favorite. I'm just going to repeat the same process. Add my mixed vegetable, then add the rice, and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the both of them will combine very well. As you can see, combine very well. Thank you so much, everyone. At this time, our rice is ready. Our rice is ready. It's ready to be eaten. It's ready to be devoured with by my armies and my soldiers. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love and support. Please don't forget to give the video a like. Your thumbs up is highly appreciated. Thank you all for watching. The fried rice is ready. It's ready. Look at the finished look at it. It looks so delicious. It looks so yummy. And that is the chicken wings, and that is the turkey also. Bye everyone. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.